Hello, and welcome to Google Drive and Docs Remix Edition. Today I'm going to walk you through a few of the key pieces that have changed within the Google Drive dashboard. All the same features and functionalities of Google Drive that you have been enjoying on the new dashboard are still present. They might have just moved to a couple different new places. The first thing I want to bring your attention to is up here in My Drive. If I tap on that down arrow, you'll see that this is where I can add a new folder. I can upload my files or folder. Remember, you can upload any file type to Google Drive. This is where you can also start a new document drive presentation, all sorts of other Google tools and apps that work within Google Drive. The other piece that I just wanted to share with you is over here on the left-hand left-hand navigation. You still have your organization here of all your folders, your shared with me, recent, starred, and anything that you put in the recycling bin is still present. Up in the top right-hand corner, a few things that are a little bit different are in the sense that if you wanted to share a document, for example, with a colleague or a student or anything, you can just click right up here on the share button. And from here, this is where you can choose the link that pops up, or you can go down into the advanced feature down here. And this is where you can add in, as I said, any other members that you would like to be on the document with you, and you can choose edit, view, or comment permissions. Up in the top right-hand corner, you can also preview your document. You can recycle it. There are a few other options that you can also do. If you would like to move a particular document into a folder, you can go ahead and identify it that way. You can add in a star to it if it's a favorite document, or rename it, and a few other pieces as well. The little waffle icon here, all that does is takes all of your folders or files and puts them into a grid view. Your settings icon hasn't changed. The features that are still within your settings that were in the old version of Google Drive are still there as well. One of the other pieces up here that some folks have asked about is the waffle looking icon. If you tap on that, this opens up all of the quick access to Google tools that you might use within Google Drive. And last piece, if you are searching for a document or a folder or a file and you're not entirely sure what the name of the document might be, as a whole, you can always do keyword searching within Google Drive, and this gives you quick access to your folders and files, so you don't have to navigate through all of your organization and setup that you might have within here. If you have any other questions regarding the new Google Drive interface, please don't hesitate to let our iLearn specialist know. But now I'm going to transfer to my iPad, and I'm going to AirServe in so that you can see what Google Docs looks like on an iPad and from a student perspective. Hello, I'm going to continue on in our Google Docs and Drive Remix Edition by sharing with you a student perspective from an iPad. To get to Google Docs on the iPad, I'm going to swipe down from the top and I'm going to search my Google Docs app. Once I open that app, you're going to notice that all of my documents are listed in a list with the documents that I have worked on, the most recent, at the top. Down at the bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on the plus sign to open up a new document. When I open up a new document, it automatically is going to prompt me to save this document. The purpose of that is so that I can access my Google Docs anywhere, anytime, on any device. Now, once my Google Docs opens up, you're going to notice that a lot of the toolbar features are very similar on an iPad as what you will see and experience on your computer. If I start typing here, you will notice that my ability to change my font size and color are not noticeably available, though, on the toolbar. If I tap on the A right here, you'll notice that I can change my style, my font size, and color through this option. I can also tap on paragraph here to change the alignment, justification, line spacing, or to add a number or symbol bullet point list. Over on the plus sign here, I can also add in the comment or table feature into my Google document. One of the most powerful features, in my opinion, around a Google Doc is the ability to add collaborators and enhance your communication opportunities and strategies with other colleagues, for students to enhance collaboration and communication with their peers, or possibly even with family members as well. When you're writing on a Google Doc, more than one person can share in that experience at a time. Through the feature of comments, you're able to ask questions, probe thinking, or possibly even to share ideas about your learning or somebody else's learning along the way. A Google document really allows you to have an electronic word processing tool at your fingertips. It is an opportunity for you to start having more of a paperless classroom. It allows you to possibly write collaborative readers theater scripts, have students keep daily reflection journals on their learning, and possibly share that learning then with you as a teacher or possibly with their peers as well. Students have also used Google Docs heavily for writing letters or research reports as well. And one of the common questions that I get with that is, how do I add in a picture into my document if I'm writing a report? Within Google Docs, the app does not allow you to add in pictures, but you can go through the desktop version of Google Docs to add in your pictures that way. I'm going to walk you through those steps right now. So on my iPad, I'm going to go back out and I'm going to open up my Safari browser. And when I do that, I already have typed in the address bar drive.google.com. When I get to this address, you're going to notice that all of my Google documents are already posted here for me. So I can go ahead and refresh this document list if I need to, if I don't see the document that I'm looking for. And when I do that, you'll see that Google Remix refreshes at the top. So I can tap on that to open up my document. Then in the black toolbar, you're going to see a square with an arrow pointing up. I'm going to tap on that arrow. And this is going to allow me then to tap on the blue button in the middle of my screen that says desktop. It's kind of a small button. Eden Prairie Schools is going to prompt you to continue to desktop version if that's what you want to do. And that is the option that you need to use if you want to be able to add in pictures into a Google document on an iPad. On here, you will notice then that I have all the same functionality and toolbar options on my iPad that you do on a computer when you use Google Docs. So now I can tap on the word insert at the top, tap on image, and this allows me to pull up any images that are in my Google Drive. Now students will need to take the pictures that you want them to have in this Google document and save it to their camera roll on their iPad, and then upload those pictures to Google Drive before they insert the pictures onto a Google document. So I can tap on Google Drive, and when I do that, my pictures will post, or I can go ahead and also search for them as well. Once I tap on my picture, you will notice that it inserts into my document right here. I just want to share this one last plug for you. You'll notice that my picture is identifying summer professional learning. Hopefully you've had a chance to see our website for summer professional learning opportunities, either our blended learning courses, our Ignite 2015 that is going to be in August, as well as other learning opportunities for you. If you haven't had a chance to sign up for these yet, please contact an iLearn specialist or go through Keep Certified and do so immediately. May 8th is our deadline, and we are so excited to see you there this summer and experience a rockstar lineup of lots of amazing professional learning. Thank you so much, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to an iLearn specialist. Thank you.